Hello everyone, good morning. As you guys can see, I have umbrella with me because it's raining. Unfortunately, it's 7 a.m. It's super early. I had to drive to the city because we are going to pick Vingle up, my videographer for today. And looks like we're not able to do a house tour because this rain is not stopping. It's like zero visibility. It's so wide. Hi! Pangga, good morning. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to drive to the city slowly but surely. I can actually see the sun peeking through, so hopefully he's gonna come out and he's not gonna be too shy. Please, we need some sun for the house tour. Anyway, let's go. Hello everyone, by the way, we have not been talking. We are finally here in the city. Vingle is here.
Hello guys, good morning.
And her piluka.
It's not obvious. It's not obvious in the camera.
Oh my gosh, it is super duper hot. I know.
You're sitting next to me.
Oh wow!
Of course.
You guys know we left the countryside and it was raining, and in the city it is extremely hot. But this is a good sign. That means it's not raining in the country anymore. Hello people, we are finally home and I just finished doing my makeup. How was it? Ta-da! Yes, we have to do some makeup, guys. Hello. I really love Vingle's eyelashes.
Of course.
Yeah, it's permanent.
Not even permanent.
Temporary pa day. Okay, so the dress that I'm gonna wear for...
Wow!
Wow, Jude!
So
No!
perfect.
It's just like a white dress.
It's like for prenup?
No! Your prenup.
Where are you going?
Wait, you can use this for your prenup because this is big.
That's sleeveless.
So, it's okay. It's prenup only. Yeah. No, this is good. Look. See, it has a tag
really
still.
nice.
Come on, it's $20. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna wear. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's so hot. What?
Are you gonna wear that one?
No!
I know.
I'm gonna wear it now! It's white
you're
dress.
going to wear that for like on Christmas or something.
No, it's white oil, not Christmas. We have to wear red.
No, you can wear green, white, or red.
Yeah.
Anywhere, actually, anything you want.
So, come on, I'm gonna transfer
Nice.
to this.
You haven't worn this.
We just finished with our house tour. Thanks so much to Vingle for being my patient videographer. Ta-da! So pretty.
Of course.
Alright, someone was actually doing caroling. We gave them... How much did you give?
We gave 50. You give. I gave 20. You gave 30. No.
We gave them 50 pesos. There's only one song though. They should like
It's really
sing.
hot outside.
Yeah, I know. It's really hot
You
outside.
cannot stand outside without any umbrella.
Yeah, and also they were asking for water as well. That's how hot it is. It's super hot, guys. When I was like doing the house tour, like look, my color now is like turning. Especially I'm wearing white. It's like really showing. Okay,
You look
anyway.
like a Brazilian.
Yeah. We're actually gonna do sinugbang baboy. We didn't have any lunch. What time is it now?
It's already 2:26.
2:26. So we're gonna have lunch like, my
4.
goodness, 4. Hoy, napas mo na.
Dinner around 9.
It's so hot. I still have another brand to shoot, guys. Today is shooting day for Meljean. It's so busy. But this is the last one. Actually, for December, yeah. Just one. I know. Okay, we did the house tour. Finally, I'm so happy. I've been wanting to do it, you know. Do you want to eat something?
No, I'm not really hungry at all.
Really? Because you ate so much. I just ate croissant. Ayun. So, we got this one, by the way, from Abaca. We got budol. Come on, let's try. See if it's good. We're gonna
Have someone eat it.
We're gonna return it. Wow! There you go.
Cute.
So cute. Upside down. I don't like when it's very crunchy, you know?
Why?
Oh, it's good. It's good. It's not very sweet. Hello everyone. It's already 4 p.m. and we are still here shooting. Bingo is there. How are you there?
I'm doing great. I'm just eating. I'm being eaten by these.
Yeah, there's so much ants in there.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that fire. So we're doing the barbecue liempo, guys. This is the finished product. Hello everyone, good morning. It's the next day. Happy Sunday. We woke up super early. Bingle is here. Good morning.
Again, of course.
Hi.
Good morning.
So we woke up about 6 a.m. guys, because mom was knocking the door because she wants to borrow a charger. And now I can't go back to sleep. It's 7 a.m. now, by the way. Hi, my goodness, we were so busy last night that we both fell asleep at 8 p.m. That was pretty crazy. 2 videos. We shot 2 videos, but at least that's already done. So today we're gonna head to the city since we're going to look for Vingle's wedding dress, which I'm super excited. I'm super excited with gowns and dresses and stuff like that, you know. So we're gonna go to different boutiques in the city, and of course we'll take you guys with us. But before that, we're gonna have breakfast first. Bingo prepared some breakfast. We have omelette and, you know, the leftover sinugbang baboy that we had yesterday. Alright, I think we're gonna eat now. The rice is ready. Here it is. It's steaming hot. Guys, let's eat with Vingle's nice eyelashes. See, I can't get over it. This is the first time she actually did her lashes, and it looks really nice. Alright, let's eat, guys. Bon appetit.
No,
We have here black pudding.
Uy!
Look how... It's actually okay, you know, it's just the color. But we have here egg. You woke up super early, isn't it?
You were the one who woke up early.
Yeah.
I just started.
But you already have like a peg, right, for your dress? So we'll just show it to them and ask if, do you have something like this? Or you want to shop like?
Pwede mo tayo mag-shop-shop lang sa tao na to kung.
So we will shop a bit and see. But you want long sleeve, Jud? Nice mo, Jud, long sleeve. I was gonna suggest. Done like this here, it's very common. Guys, hello! We just finished doing makeup. Look, Bingo! Look at Bingo!
We have our photo shoot today.
Oh my gosh!
Oy, okay
It's
na.
so pretty. See, I told you, this is the dress I wore yesterday for the house tour. And look at that. That really looks good on her.
Oui.
She's gonna wear this for the prenup shoot.
Wow!
Yeah, you have to. It's so pretty. Look, let me see in the back. Ah, nice. It's so nice. It fits you well. That's good.
Good.
Alright guys, so anyway, we are heading to the city now. Time check. It's already 9. We have to be there when the mall opens so that it's not as busy. So we go to Cebu first to look for the dress and then to the different boutiques. And yeah, I'm so excited to look at Vingle's wedding dress. But it's so nice. Actually, white looks good on you. You should wear more white.
Everyone, whenever you wear white or anyone.
Yeah, actually, I
It
think.
looks good, man. Good.
Yeah.
Especially if
for
you're not
everyone.
used to see someone wearing white all the
Yeah,
time.
I'm not used to.
I'm not used to.
you.
I'm not used to you too.
Yeah.
You don't usually wear white.
Yeah, but it's so pretty. All right. Anyway, let's go. All right, guys. Before we go, so sorry. I know my hair is so wet. We're gonna let it air dry. I'm gonna have to unbox this one first. We have received this gift. This is from Ayu Ayu Cafe. Alith, thank you so much. If you guys can remember, we went there to do a sauna, which was my first time, and I really loved it. I would love to go back there. And I want to do it quite often, but because December is such a hectic schedule for me, I'm not able to go there yet. But yeah, we got a gift from them. Thank you so much. So they actually got us a letter. There you go. Happy holidays. That's very sweet. And then we have this box right here, and it's a vacuum flask set. Wow, that's so cute. And it's color pink. How cute. Look at this. So this is how it looks. I mean, yeah, I'm definitely gonna use this. Thank you so much, Ayu Ayu Cafe. And we have here a really cute hat. Look. It says Ayu Ayu. Wow. Ta-da.
Does it mean amping?
Yeah, amping.
Ah.
So Ayu Ayu is a Bisaya word which basically means
Take care.
take care. Here we have stress relief incense sticks. Oh, this is actually very good because it smells so good.
Yeah.
And then we have here peanut butter, coconut sugar sweetened. Ooh, locally made in Cebu. Wow, it's all natural. That's good. I love peanut butter too. And then we have here granola. Wow. This is very healthy, guys. Thank you. And then we have here lip balm. There you go. Ta-da. And then this is a candle. I think this smells so good. And also we have here voucher that we can basically use for Ayu Ayu Cafe if in case I decide to go back there and have sauna. I would really love to go back there. They have massage as well. And I think they do yoga. I haven't tried yoga, by the way. And then we have here this necklace. It's so cute. And it's an ocean jasper. And it has like some information right here. A minimalist necklace. Again, thank you so much to Ayu Ayu Cafe and happy holidays. So we have arrived here in the city. I'm just waiting for Vingle. She is changing. So yeah, after we're gonna go to SM Cebu. I'm actually quite hungry. It's already 11. I could feel a bit of traffic. I know it's Sunday. Normally it's not traffic here in Cebu, but because of Christmas, I think people are going out, buying gifts, going to parties and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a bit busy. Hello! Wow! I love your outfit! It's very bride-to-be.
Okay.
Wait, I really love your outfit. Where'd you get that?
Ever since ganugay ko nagpancho ko guot pa jud gumot pa.
It's really nice, actually.
Karon pa gyud ako ni siya nasuot ever.
Aesthetic yan.
Idilit mo para sa
It's
brown.
very aesthetic. Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Akong bilbil bayit.
We're here, guys. We're here in Ding Hao, Dim Sum restaurant. So unfortunately all of the boutique are closed today since it's Sunday. So we're just having lunch here.
Yes, and we'll probably just gonna have it by tomorrow.
Yeah, so we will continue the wedding excursion tomorrow. So we have here, what's this? Dim sum, hakao. This is one of my favorite. Siomai with egg and crab meat. Bon appetit, let's eat. Is it good? Spicy? Oh, where's our drinks? Where's our drinks? We were actually like driving around Cebu today. It's so crazy. it's a good day to like drive around since it's not so traffic. It's Sunday today, but at the same time, all of the boutiques are closed, unfortunately. But we'll do it tomorrow instead. Let's eat.
Let's eat the api. Wow.
Oh my gosh, that is spicy. This is spicy. Actually, I love the hakao though. Look, you should try this. The first time I tried this when we were in Manila, and it was super good. Like just super good.
We tried it here.
Look, sarap. I think it's very. Oh my god.
How is it? Good?
It's super good because it's shrimp.